Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If the cabbage you used wasn't especially sweet, you may not find your sauerkraut to be sour enough. Let it ferment a few days longer, then sample once again. If you don't notice any increase in the tang, then sugars have been used up and this batch won't get sourer.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Pour sauerkraut into a colander. Rinse the sauerkraut with water until most of the sour juices have been washed off. You can also soak the sauerkraut in water for 1 hour to help remove some sourness.
Take our lead.
Gosh, you're probably already chowing down. Next time, try adding a half teaspoon of caraway seeds, or more to taste for every pound of sauerkraut, plus 1 apple, peeled, cored and diced or shredded. Another nice addition, some fat to mellow the sourness.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Like pickles, and other fermented food, sauerkraut usually comes with a best-by date or sell-by date on the label. And no matter if it's the refrigerated or shelf-stable variety, both of them can easily last months past that date as long as they stay unopened.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
One of the first signs that the sauerkraut has gone bad is an off-smelling aroma. If the product emits a strong rotting odor, the sauerkraut has gone bad. Check if the fermented cabbage has taken on a weird texture or color. If there's significant texture or discoloration, discard the product.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.